Good day, BitYard users. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bind two-factor authentication to your BitYard account. It is strongly suggested that you download Auth two-factor authentication to your device. The download link will be provided in the description box below. Please hover over to the head icon and click on Account Security. On this page, under Security Center, please click on Notes. Under Security Settings, next to Google Verification, please click on this button. On this page, they will prompt you to either download the app from your iOS App Store or your Android Google Play Store. Please click on Next. This page is very important. Please make sure that you store this QR code in a safe place. Same goes for this string of letters. Please also never leak this QR code or the string of letters to a third party, because this is for the sake of your personal security for your BitYard account. Please also do not lose either of them. Over here, once you have copied the string, please go to the two-factor authentication app, click on the plus sign, and paste the code, and then click on Add Account. From here, I can just name the account that you just created. And then I'll go ahead and choose a color if you wish, and click on Save. You will then be presented to a 30-second random 6-digit string. Please click on Next. Again, the page will prompt you to write down the key on a piece of paper. Please store it properly. Click on Next. The next step, the system will prompt you to enter the email verification code. Click on Submit. Congratulations, you have successfully bound Google verification to your BitYard account. That concludes the video for today. Thank you and goodbye.